everyone, this is Michaela from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and today I'm going to be going over the Nautilus CC Plus replacement parts. In today's agenda, we're going to be going over the top 6 replacement parts, signs you may need a new one, and where you can purchase it. Starting off with its ultrafine filters. These are accordion-style filters that are best used to clean smaller dirt particles such as sand, silt, or algae. You may need a replacement if dirt and debris are not being picked up, your filter indicator light is on, your dolphin won't run a full cycle, dirt and debris are escaping from the bottom of the dolphin when you pick it up, and your dolphin won't climb walls properly. Next, we have the Dolphin Tracks. These allow your dolphin to roam smoothly throughout the surface of the pool during its cleaning operation. You may need a replacement if they're looking a little bit loose and worn, your dolphin is not climbing the walls of the pool properly, and it also keeps stopping during its cleaning operation. Now we have the drive pulleys. Dolphin drive pulleys are used to help guide your robot smoothly throughout the surface of the pool. You may need a replacement if they're looking worn out, your dolphin is moving slow and not gripping the walls, and your dolphin is stopping often or completely during its cleaning process. Now we have the guide wheels. Dolphin guide wheels are used to help move your robotic pool cleaner and guide its tracks throughout the surface of the pool during its cleaning operation. You may need a replacement if they're also looking a little bit worn out, the robot tracks are slipping, or your dolphin is working at less power. Now we have the dolphin climbing brushes. These are used to help scrub the surface of the pool during its cleaning operation. You may need a new one if your robot's not climbing the walls of the pool properly, your dolphin is stopping during its cleaning operation, and the brushes are looking a little bit worn out. And lastly, we have the climbing rings. Dolphin climbing rings are used to assist your robot by providing traction as it moves through the pool and its walls. You may need a replacement if your dolphin is not climbing walls properly, the climbing rings are starting to look a little bit worn out, and your robot is stopping during its cleaning operation. Now, if you're looking for a place to purchase it, you're in luck. Visit us online at easytestpools.com. Thank you for watching.